Another day in paradise, or a life hack from Ala Chuko, a realtor in South Ontario, in business from 1999. I live on propane, so this is the most expensive heat source. The cheapest one is natural gas, the second cheapest is electricity, and then the most expensive is propane. And my house has very big humidifier, but for me personally, I do need lots and lots of vapor in the house, just my personal body's preference. So this is what I do. I have this little pot with the orange peel, lemon peel, nutmeg, and a cinnamon stick. I put it on a stove, and I put this little device, which you just noticed, it just started to spin on its own, from the heat, of course, not on its own. So now I'm going to put my heat a little bit down, because it's way too hot. So the stove will go on and off, will moisturize my property, heat my kitchen, not full house, heat my kitchen. So for example, in the house, it's like 18, 19, 20, depends on the time of the day. Right now in the kitchen, I have 22 degrees. And this little device was working only about 15 minutes. So enjoy, from my heart to yours.